Hey everyone, I just want to explain about how I cleared this NVIDIA certification and what are the suggestions, like what are the tricks and tactics that you can use to clear the certification. And I'll tell you what are the practices I followed, and so I'll share you all the resources also, like. So this is the official website, right? So NVIDIA website, you can just in the Google you can search for this, or in any web browser you can search for this NVIDIA Certified Associate. You can get the link. So this is the clear description, right? So they mention this, like you have this 50 questions, 60 minutes time frame, and etc etc. What are the topics, and who are the ideal folks who can give this examination, right? So this is majorly important, like you need to know like what topics you have to prepare to clear the certification, and these are the topics, and also they given the weightage also. So it's not like you have to prepare one, you have to skip one. It's not like that. That's not the best way to do deal with these things. So ideally every category has easy, medium, and hard. So these kind of a levels will be there. So in case if you completely focus on one particular thing, if you remove others, then you will miss that questions, right? So that's why, so don't take that kind of a step. So prepare all the concepts, like prepare in the sense, at least have some understanding like what it was given and what these topics will do. In that way have some knowledge, so then you can easily clear the certification. And these things are very useful. Okay, so these are the additional materials, right? These are the links. If you click on it, so it will showcase you trustworthy AI is the damn sure and easiest one, I'll say. So these are like kind of straight sentences. Like there are some other case studies and all those things will be given. So just have a gist of it, like just go through this, and so these are the things, right? So just copy this, and you can so copy the content, paste it on ChatGPT or any other tool, so to get the insights out of that. So instead of studying everything, so you can do that step. So see, in the portal itself you have this study guide. So this is the most important thing. So if you click on it, it will open this PDF, right? So this is the entire study guide. This is the most important thing. So you have to cover all these topics. Forget about these things like web page and other things, but what my point is, like this is how you have to do. So they clearly given what are the topics they're going to use, what are the concepts. Just understand each thing, and after, and also they given the links also, right? So if you click on it, it will redirect you to some other page, and building LLM with prompt engineering. So all those things they already clearly given the links. This is how you have to do. So this is how I did, right? So I just gone through this page. This is the entire curriculum. Okay, so you don't need to refer any other things, you don't need to refer any other courses also. Simply log into, I mean, just go through that official website and you will get this page. Click on each link and just understand the content, right? So questions are completely based on these topics only, so you won't get any out of the scope question. If you have basic understanding like what this topic will do, then you can easily crack that examination. I got see, they mentioned like 50 questions, but I got 51 or 52 questions. I did it on couple of months back, but it's not like exactly 50. It's more than 51, like 51 or 52, something like that. And I got questions related to A B testing, like, right? So if you have basic understanding what is A B testing, then you can answer that question. There are some options elimination also. In that way also you can handle that. There are questions related to few shot prompting. So they clearly mention, right? So the topics. So in that way, if you go through that, then you can easily clear that examination. So in terms of A/B testing, I got like generally what is A/B testing is like you have there is one version of product you are, there is some, let's say you have an application, you want to add more features to that. You created another version. Instead of directly putting that into the replacing that with the old one, you do what you will do, you split the data, like, sorry, not data, you split the user into two groups. that might be any ratio, like one is percentage, like 50-50 or 60-40, something like that. Then users will try that. They'll give some feedback, right? Or the way users are involving with that features or not. Then you'll get the clarity, okay, this one is, most of the people are liking this, then we can integrate this with the old one, or we can replace the old one with the new version. So in that way you do beta testing, sorry, A B testing. So yeah, so if you have that kind of a clarity, you can easily answer these questions. So my point is like, each topic, just go through that, just click on each link and go through that. Trustworthy AI is the best thing, like easiest one. Like there are straightforward questions, there is no need to so remember too much. But if you have some kind of understanding, like what each one will do, uh, just understand from the NVIDIA perspective, like what NVIDIA is doing to maintain the trustworthy AI. So you have to understand, there is a cool, I mean, there is a different tools are there which are available only in NVIDIA. Let's say Nemo guardrails, so you want to get Nemo guardrails outside of NVIDIA's, right? These kind of things you need to know, because it's an NVIDIA certification, right? So you need to know like what are their features and what are their tools, right? So if you have that clarity, and at the same time you have this core concepts, like let's say prompting, you need to know about zero shot, few shot, chain of thought. So in that way, if you have that clarity, then you can easily answer that question. Drag applications and all those things, they already provided the links, just need to click on it. What is this rapids will do, what is this stemming and lemmatization, all these things, NLP concepts, basic things. So if you have this, just understand what it will do. And what ideally I did was, like, I just open each link. If the content is huge, I just copied the content, I just paste it in ChatGPT, and I asked the model to give the summarized content, or I clearly given some kind of a prompt, like I'm preparing for this examination, these are the topics, these are the weightage, so give me the mock questions, give me the concept questions. In that way I just tried. And also if you have that kind of a clarity, you can easily crack this examination. So you don't need to fear, like, what happens and etc etc. Just go through each concept and each topic, just understand what it was doing, uh, what is the major thing it was explaining, or so if you have that kind of a clarity, then it's enough to clear the examination, right? So some are like different pages are there, some are like NVIDIA tutorials also will be there, right? So just need to uh, these are concepts which are needed for a GenAI resource, right? So if you don't know, like, drag and all those things, there's no point of giving this kind of examination. You have to prepare for that. It will redirect you to the different pages. You need to understand, okay, so what is the major concept and what it was doing, how can I implement. But there is no coding thing, okay? So you can remember this. People think like there is a coding. No, it's not like coding. They won't ask you anything related, I mean, I don't know about others, but I didn't get any coding question, right? So it's all our MCQs, and I didn't get any question related to coding, but I got the questions related to um techniques, like low rank adaptation, LoRa, Q LoRa. So all these things are there, right? So I got questions related to this fine tuning techniques and other techniques. All the in those sense, I got the questions, but I didn't get questions related to coding or something, right? So this is one advantage, like you can just simply prepare, just this is your reference, and so understand the concepts. You don't need to understand too much, but have a clarity, like what each functionality will do, how NVIDIA is helping to implement these kind of tools or these kind of functions. In that perspective, have some idea, then that is more than enough to clear this examination, right? I hope this is helpful. You can get these links, okay? So it's completely open source. You got to know, like, they clearly mention like what are the topics and how you have to prepare for that also. The blueprint, everything is there, right? In case if you want to take any courses or something, so you can go for it, it's up to you. Once you've done it, you have to click on this register for examination. There is a process you have to follow, that's it. You can do. There are other certifications also you can explore. But so this I told you, right, I got 52 questions. It's like 50 to 60, in that range you'll get some questions. um, yeah, you don't need to fear. Ultimately, you can easily understand if you have some clarity on the topics like RAG, fine tuning, prompting techniques, and the machine learning concepts, basic concepts, and so A/B testing and all those things. If you have that kind of awareness, then you can easily, like, you need to know what is the topic and how I have to implement in my real time scenarios, and at the same time how NVIDIA is supporting those features in their products. If you have that clarity, that's more than enough to clear this examination. Yeah, so prepare each topic, just go through each topic, understand it, have a clarity. And one more thing is like, have some hands on, right? So have some notes, you can refer the topics, right? So otherwise this is like huge data. So instead of that, just understand, okay, what does, in a single line or something, just frame those things. That would be helpful, so before your examination, like one day prior to your examination, you can't refer all these things. Just have a notes of it and just refer the points, then you can easily crack this examination, right? So in case if you have any queries or something related to this, you can connect me on LinkedIn or can ping me, so I can help you. So these things are important, okay? So trustworthy AI, RAG, and all those things, these things are useful. Just go through each link, and at the same time study guide, right? So this one is most important. So if you prepare these things, then it's more than enough to clear the certification. Yeah, that's how I clear my examination. It's up to you. So uh, yeah, that's it from my side, guys. Thank you.